morning, everyone. This is Hannah Maybana Ventura reporting. Election is a process made by several individuals to decide what kind of person will hold responsibility in certain matters of the many. People win according to majority's decision. That's why elections are always filled with paraphernalia, commercials, and posters of the running candidates in elections of presidency, vice presidency, and other positions of the like. It is commonly used nationwide, but elections can be done anywhere in any method you wish. Take the simple. The by-election method widely used in US, Palau, Micronesia, and sometimes in Liberia and the Philippines in a special election. It is an election held to fill a political office that has been made vacant during regular schedule. This method is usually used when someone in that position either resigns or dies. Also, when that person in that position is negligible because of a recall or because of a serious criminal conviction. A fixed-term election is an election that happens on a given date that is used commonly for the local government. A general election is used in a parliamentary government and also distinguished as by-elections or local elections wherein all or most of the members of a given political body are picked. A midterm election is a type of staggered election wherein the election takes place at the middle of the term of another set of officials or executives. This type is used in the Philippines that is held every second Monday of May every third year starting 1992. In primary elections, the candidates were chosen in the party that will represent them on the by-elections or general elections. And the local elections, meanwhile, is the election that is conducted for local government
Sa tingin niyo po, ano po yung mga katangian ng isang senador na karapat-dapat iboto ng mga mamamayan?
For me, ang qualification ng isang senador is may intelligence, may talino, may responsibility, tsaka kaya niyang gawin yung mga sinasabi niya. Tsaka may yung mga platforms na ginagawa niya. Yun lang. Tsaka either political science, legal management, or may kaalaman sa business, BS Economics. Ayun.
Pwede po bang humingi ng oras na magkakaroon ng foundation? Nakal po sa, sino po yung ibuboto niyo ngayon?
Korea, Philippines, nakalagay ito sa ano eh. Sinja, milyar. Boboto ko. Kasi ano bakit? Unang-una, nakawal na tuwin ang milyar. Marami ka nakawa. Una, mahirap. Bahay. Sa bahay. Pag-siya ko din sa gano'n, nakawal yung milyar. Medyo makakatulong ko sa mga.
These are the comparative statistics per elected position in both national and local elections in 2001, 2004, 2007, and 2010. And these are the percentage of the turnouts in the Philippine national elections from 1946 to 2010. As you can see, the highest percentage was in 1946 in a staggering 95%, whilst the lowest percentage recorded was in the year 2006 at 65%. As you can see, the Liberal Party Coalition and the United Nationalist Alliance are the two parties competing for this year's senatorial election this May 2013. And these are the rankings of each senator by their popularity.